In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit pie in Trading 212. By the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust your allocations, add or remove slices, and make sure those changes take effect the right way. First, open the Trading 212 app. From the main screen, head to Portfolio, then tap on Pies. This is where all your existing pies live. Choose the pie you want to adjust, and then tap Edit Pie. That takes you into the editing view, where you control what's inside and how it's weighted. Let's start with changing allocations. You can use the sliders or type in exact percentages for each slice. This controls how much of your future investments are aimed at each stock or ETF. For example, you might set one slice to 50%, another to 30%, and another to 20%. Keep an eye on the total at the bottom. Your target allocation must always add up to 100%. If it doesn't, the app won't let you save, so fine-tune each slice until the total is exact. If you want to add a new stock or ETF, tap Add Slice. Search for the one you want, select it, and then assign a percentage. Remember, the total still needs to equal 100%, so when you add something new, you'll need to reduce the percentages of your existing slices to make space. A helpful approach is to shave a little from multiple slices, rather than taking a lot from one, so your pie stays balanced the way you intend. To remove a stock, tap the X next to that slice. This sets its target to 0%. It's important to know that removing a slice doesn't instantly sell your current holdings in that position. It simply tells the pie not to aim for that stock anymore. You'll see the remaining slices need to be adjusted to bring the total back to 100%, so redistribute those percentages among the slices you're keeping. When your edits look right, tap, confirm, or save. That locks in your new targets. Now for the crucial part that many people miss. Editing a pie does not automatically buy or sell anything. Your changes only update the target allocation. To actually move your holdings toward those targets, you need to either add money through Autoinvest or a manual deposit, or tap Rebalance. Rebalancing or investing is what creates the buy and sell orders that bring your holdings in line with your new percentages. In short, edits take effect on the next rebalance or the next time funds are invested into the pie. And that's it. Your pie is now updated and ready for the next investment or rebalance.